Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1, ninth sum. The given figure, see the figure. The quadrilateral swimming pool is shown in surrounded by a concrete patio. Patio is nothing but outdoor space. Find the area of the patio. So we should find out the area of the patio. This is outer space and this is the swimming pool. We should find out the required area of the space. So outer quadrilateral area minus area of the quadrilateral, that is swimming pool, we get the required area of the space. That is area of the quadrilateral ABCD minus area of the quadrilateral EFGH, you can get the required area of the patio. So we move on to the sum. See, required area of patio. Required area of patio equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD minus area of quadrilateral EFGH. Required area of the patio is equal to area of quadrilateral minus area of quadrilateral EFGH. First we will see area of quadrilateral ABCD. So what is the value of A? A equal to minus 4 comma minus 8, B equal to 8 comma minus 4, C equal to 6 comma 10 and D equal to minus 10 comma 6. This is the outer area of the quadrilateral. So what is the formula for area of the quadrilateral? We have already seen. So straight away we move on to the sum. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. x1, what is x1 value? Minus 4. x2 value 8, x3 is 6, x4 is minus 10. Then you move on to minus 4, x1 value. See here, write on the y coordinate, minus 8, minus 4, 10, 6, then minus 8. See here, minus 4, 8, 6, minus 10, minus 4, minus 8, minus 4, 10, 6, then minus 8. This is area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So 1 by 2 into cross multiplication minus 16 plus 80 minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, 8 tens are 80, 6 6 are 36, minus 10 into minus 8 plus 80. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, 8 tens are 80, 6 6 are 36, minus 10 into minus 8, 80, minus 8 into 8, minus 64, minus 4 into 6, minus 24, 10 into minus 10, minus 100, 6 into minus 4, minus 24. See here, minus 8 into 8, minus 64, minus 4 into 6, minus 24, 10 into minus 10 minus 100, 6 into minus 4 minus 24. So it gives 1 by 2 into. So you add the value 6 plus 6, 12, 8 plus 3, 11, 12 and 2, 21 minus of 100, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 12, balance 1, 12. 1 by 2 into 2, 1, 2, minus into minus plus. So it gives 1 by 2 into 4 to 4. Cancel. What is the value? 212 square units area of the quadrilateral ABCD. It's 212 square units. Then you can see the area of the quadrilateral EFGH. You can see the area of the quadrilateral EFGH. What is the value of EFGH? E value is minus 3, minus 5, F is 6 comma minus 2, G is 3 comma 7. What is the value of H? Minus 6 comma 4. The same thing you can proceed. 1 by 2 into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. So 1 by 2 into, first you write down the x1 coordinate minus 3, 6, 3, minus 6 and end up with minus 3. Then y minus 5, minus 2, 7, 4 and end up with minus 5. See here, minus 3, 6, 3, minus 6 and end up with minus 3. Then second minus 5, minus 2, 7, 4 and end up with minus 5. 1 by 2 into, do the cross multiplication, 6, 3 2s are 6 plus 7 6 are 42 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 6 5s are 30 minus minus 5 into 6 minus 30 minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 7 into minus 6 minus 42 minus 12. 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42, 4 3s are 12, 6 5s are 30 minus minus 5 into 6 minus 30 minus 2 into 6 minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 7 into minus 6 minus 42, 4 into minus 3 minus 12. 1 by 2 into 0 minus of 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, balance 1, minus 90. So it gives 1 by 2 into 90 plus 90, minus into minus plus 90. So it gives 1 by 2 into 180, cancel the value is 90 square units. So area of the quadrilateral EFGH is 90 square units. So required area of the patio area of the patio equal to area of the quadrilateral ABCD minus area of the quadrilateral EFGH. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD minus area of the quadrilateral EFGH. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD 2 and 2 minus area of the quadrilateral EFGH is 90. So, what is the value we are getting here? 2 122 square units. See, this is exercise 5.1. 10th sum. This is 11th sum. This is 10th sum. A triangular shaped glass with vertices. A triangular shaped glass with vertices. How many vertices are given? 3 vertices are given. So, it is a triangular shape. A triangular shaped glass with vertices A, B and C has to be painted. If one bucket of paint covers 6 square feet, if one bucket covers only 6 square feet, how many buckets of paint? How many buckets of paint is needed? How many buckets of paint will be required to paint the whole glass? How many buckets of paint will be required to paint the whole glass if only one coat of paint is applied? See here, a triangular shaped glass is there. It has a vertices A, B and C. It has to be painted. Then it has to be painted, and one bucket of paint, it covers only for 6 square feet. So, we have to cover the total area of the triangle bucket. So, how many buckets of paint will be required to paint the whole area? That also one coat of paint is applied. Once again I repeat, a triangular shaped glass, it is a triangular shaped glass, 3 vertices are given, it has to be painted. That also one bucket covers only 6 square feet, the total area we have to paint. So, how many buckets of paint will be required, we have to see here. We move on to the sum, see the sum. Sum number 10, triangle A value, area of the triangular bucket, area of the triangular bucket, triangular shaped glass, area of the triangular shaped glass. Area of the triangular shaped glass. Area of the triangular shaped glass. What are the vertices they have given here? See, A value. A value they have given as -5, -4. B value they have given as 1, 6 and C is 7, -4. Area of the triangular shaped glass. See, what is the formula for area of the triangle? We already seen. So, we move on to the sum straight away. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of the triangular shaped glass ABC, we can mark like this, ABC. So, 1 by 2 into, you can write the x coordinate first, -5, 1, 7, -5, you end up with the same number. Area of the triangle -5, 1, 7, -5. See here, -4, y coordinate -4, 6, -4, so end up with -4. -4, 6, -4, you end up with -4. So it gives 1 by 2 into cross multiplication minus 30 minus 4 minus 28. See here, minus 30 minus 4 minus 28 minus of minus 4 plus 42 minus 4, 6 sevens are 42 plus 20 minus 30 minus 4 minus 28 minus of minus 4 plus 42 plus 20. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 12 minus 62 minus of 2 plus 6 42 62 minus 4 62 minus 4. See here, one by 2 into minus 62 minus of 62 minus 4 become it gives 1 by 2 into minus 62 minus 58. So it gives 1 by 2 into minus 120 minus 60. Area cannot be negative. So area equal to 60 square units. So area equal to 60 square units. Now we have to see the required number of bucket. See here, number of paint cans needed, because only 6, one bucket can be covered only for the 6 square feet. So what is the area here? 60 square feet. 60 square feet, you cancel that term. So it is 10. So number of paint cans needed is, we need 10 paint cans.